Alright, I'm gonna show you. I mean, it's a really nice umbrella, I think. It's got like, it's durable. It seems like big enough size for what I need. I mean, I have this tiny table, but the one thing that I don't love is this is like part of the top pole from here up and the bottom pole. And this doesn't actually like snap into place. It just kind of, it just kind of sits in there. And I don't know if I love that for like, I mean, it's kind of windy even now. And it's kind of blowing around. I just don't know if I love that. But, I mean, if you are using it for something else, maybe it's not really windy where you are. I mean, it'll be fine, but I'm sure this would be fine too. But for my own peace of mind and anxiety, I'm probably going to send this back just for that reason. I wish it kind of snapped in. But otherwise, it seems like a really nice umbrella.